welcome to my video. So there are a lot of characters. I got a lot of icons. These are cool. What are these box? Oh. Okay, ability on cooldown. Okay guys, let's go. Okay, so I died. Play and then. So this game is called playing as let's play as Shelly and Twisted. Okay, so playing as Twisted Shelly only. Get to elevator. I'm going inside. Okay, so. Okay, so let's go to Twisted and go to. What did I see? Oh, there we go. Okay, so let's go to. I wanna be Astro. Okay, so let's go to that. Okay, so this time we're gonna use stickers. Okay, so I'm gonna AFK. Okay, so where's happy holidays Okay, so I'm just gonna get the Astro. Okay, so let's go. Let's Okay, so what do you like? Tell me in the comments. I like the My ability is ready. Diver camping detective. Oh no. Those ones in the top? Don't worry. Oh, candy. I'm running back. Oh, bro, somebody wrapped him. Yes, we're always. What do we do now? I already know how to draw a circle, and the grass is there and there. Get to the elevator. Something is issue. Don't worry. No, don't catch it. My ability is ready. No, no, not your ability box thing. Did you set up because you have this? Oh, the pebble over there. OMG, there's a lot of twisted and a lot of okay. What do we do now? Oh, can I help you? Don't worry. Ooh, what's that? Stay away. Oh my god. Good luck. You're gonna follow me. Moving around the rosy, hop the dog. Oh, what? Ow! What do we do now? So now let's equip the star. Let's equip. I think I'm gonna. I want to check her skins. Oh, that's since you're a new character, what do you have? Only so Kokwa. Oh, just that one. Wait, why her abilities? No time for this. Wow, they have to Chris. Okay, so caramels, no time. Oh yeah, I already saw this to another video. Okay, then because I like his this one passport pal. It's a good one. I like it. But Eggson, what do you have? Summertime. Okay. So. Gooby Goob. Hey, I want to go to Goob. Gooby Goob. Special spaghetti. New update. Oh, even come. Okay, so let's go to Razzle and Dazzle. They have like the. Wow, only that. I guess. Sprout, they have the King Sprout, right? Do they have the King one? They don't have it. What? Oh, wait. Okay, what do you have? Haunted Flame. Guard. Oh, it's a pumpkin. Guard. Don't forget, I got the Cosmic Signal V. Snow time. Oh, okay. Tegan. Dress up. Oh, I know. She only has one. Tisha, what do you have? What do you have, Tisha? Wow, she's a maid. She's a maid. Shrimp, but you got the worst one. I know you got the dark spikes. Oh, they have Christmas Bumble Fairy. I know they use that. Okay, Rudy. Okay, just gonna. Okay, so GG. I like the rainy day. What's the snow on the boat? I like to be on one heart. Oh nah. Cosmo, I already Kokwa, I already did Bolty. I know she's very common. Ice sleeper, snow time. I like the snow time. Okay, so let's get the snow time. I'm dying here. This soon. Okay, fine, let's leave the game. It's glitching here. Oh my god. So guys, it's glitching. Yeah, I was using this, okay? Don't mind it. Only daddies are perfect. Okay, there we go. Now I'm back. So the twisted stardust. Okay, so I'm gonna get I'm gonna pick so I'm gonna pick Valentine. Okay, so guys, where's Monday? Okay, hug time. I want yeah. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna pick it anyways. I'm gonna become Gooby Goob, the Goob Goob Paxter. Hi guys, I'm Gooby Goob. Where are you going? No! Need you. I'm here. Oh man, somebody's. Look at Jelly! Oh, there's a capsule. I need that. Ouch. Go inside! What am I doing now? This means it's very. Stop getting hit. Why would I? Oh, cool. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna say, stay away. I'm the party group. Okay. What do we do now? Oh, what's gonna put that? Okay, thank you. That's so sweet. Good luck. Okay. Let me help. I will protect you. Need help? Hello. Oh, nah. Bro, somebody's the dandy's hand. How are they the dandy hand? Okay, let's go respawn. I'm gonna respawn, okay, guys? So I'm gonna. So we're going to the twisters. Do they have dandy? Because how do they get the hand from nowhere? Yeah, that's actually smart. Okay, so Q5 booster. Okay, now. I'm gonna say. So I'm just gonna say. What do you do now? I'll just do this one. I'll just keep getting research as the Twisted. Okay, let's go. I'm just gonna become a Twisted, but normal Twisted. Oh, oh man. God, what the hell? This bot actually the hell? Oh my god, it cuts a lot. Connie 500. Okay, so it's cuts a lot. Okay, so we can become B, right? Oh man. Okay, so I can become Spider-Man. Shelly. Okay, never mind, it cuts a lot. Okay, so since we're here, so we're just gonna cook was because okay, so I want to become Astro. So let's begin. Astro. I'm just I like to become the snow. How are you still there? Wait, don't leave. Okay, so I'm just like that always. My man just stuck. I'm gonna do this. What do we do now? Okay, so I'm just. Okay, so guys, I can do it. Everybody loves Astro, so I'm just gonna pick him still. Rainbow. The rainbow. What happened? There we go, that's all I want to do. Yes! Wow, there's so much food! There are 3 goods already? How? The game is glitching! The game is glitching! Okay, anyways, let's go stop your crazy.